This is the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Thursday, the 20th of September. I'm Michael Groff. An absolutely glorious day in the valley yesterday. Cloudy, cool, gentle, light rain. Some spots around the state saw heavier rain and flash flooding, but regardless, today it's back to reality. Drier air working in, and temperatures will be warming up. All right, let's talk about it. First, we'll look at the rainfall totals from across the valley yesterday. 41/100ths of an inch in South Chandler, 35/100ths of an inch in Gilbert. I see about 1/3 of an inch for parts of the Southeast Valley. Here in Arcadia, 34/100ths of an inch. But the further north and west you went, the drier it was. And yesterday, officially in the bucket at Sky Harbor, as we look at the almanac, 17/100ths of an inch. And the high temperature, 92 degrees, and that was established at 12:27 a.m. The low temperature of 74 occurred at 1:20 p.m. Outside right now, here at 5:25 a.m., we've got some haze out there. We begin this day at 73 degrees at Sky Harbor. The dew point's also 73, so the relative humidity 100%. Winds are calm, barometer steady. Temperatures around the valley this morning, we are generally in the mid-60s to low 70s. And that rain-cooled air, look at those dew points, though. You see, the dew points are almost the same as the air temperature, so I would not be surprised to see at least a few patches of fog, especially in the Southeast Valley and across parts of Pinal County this morning. So watch out for that if you're traveling. Water vapor satellite view, we've got that swath of moisture you see there over eastern Arizona. That's in association with our trough axis, which is moving off to the east. You see the drier air is coming in behind it. The watch warning map, still some flash flood watches, parts of New Mexico, Oklahoma, South Dakota, and Minnesota. Red flag warning still out here in the west where fire danger remains elevated. Convective outlook for today, an enhanced risk of severe storms, places like Rochester and Minneapolis, St. Paul, with a broader severe weather risk from northern Kansas through the Great Lakes, central and northern Michigan. And rainfall for the next 7 days here across the state. Nothing in the valley, maybe a little bit in parts of east, central, and southeast Arizona, where some showers and storms may develop this afternoon. Otherwise, let's take a look at the models and see where the forecast is headed. Here we go, the GFS, the 06Z run, valid at 5 o'clock this afternoon. And there's our trough moving off to the east today, and drier westerly flow taking over. And that dry air aloft will gradually mix on down as we look at the surface today. Well, we become mostly sunny. Yes, patches of fog around this morning. It will be very muggy out there, but the drier air will work in. Humidity levels will be way down by this afternoon and certainly this evening. Highs today in the valley much warmer than what we saw yesterday. Will be in the mid and upper 90s. Tonight, clear skies, a dry air mass, lows mid-60s to mid-70s. Tomorrow, sunny, a bit warmer still, highs 99 to 103. Saturday, same thing, 99 to 103, clear skies. Sunday, a shortwave trough passes north of Arizona across the Intermountain West, the central and northern Rockies. That might knock the ridge down just enough to bring temperatures back by about a degree or two. Highs 98 to 102, both Sunday and Monday. Tuesday will stay in the upper 90s to about 102. Same thing on Wednesday with generally dry conditions prevailing. Here's a week from today. This is Thursday, the 27th. Troughing over the northern plains, a ridge out here in the west, an area of low pressure approaching the Pacific Northwest, pinned under the ridge. That's a dry look for us, though. High temperatures mid-90s to near 100. And let's go out 10 days. The end of the forecast period. This is Saturday, the 29th, and that looks like a big cool trough for the Great Lakes. Certainly a good blast of fall heading down through the eastern half of the country. But out here in the west, we remain with temperatures at maybe even just slightly above average, somewhere between about 96 and 100 in the sky, mostly sunny. All right, let's look at the numbers through the period coming off of the GFS ensemble. And again, the ensemble keeps us at or just a little bit above average all the way out through early October. But you know what? Not really seeing any big heat wave coming anytime soon. And those overnight lows are going to finally start to cool off a bit, and you can't ask for anything more than that here in late September. And that's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning. If you like our videos, be sure to subscribe so that whenever we post a brand new one, you'll get the notifications. Plus, your comments, questions, suggestions, always encouraged as well. Otherwise, be safe out there and have yourselves a great Thursday.